these little gears are shifting and we have the body swing.
Toys for you.
Hi guys and welcome to What's Inside. Ishan Plays says that I haven't listened to his request. Well, this is your request, Ishan. The bee that moves the eyes. Let's take a look at it and... Okay. Do you have any idea? Think about it. Do you have any idea of how she moves her eyes? Look at. Okay, the mechanism inside is the same as all the toys, the standing toys. I have a feeling that the eyes move mechanical, but now we shall find out together. Time to see if this little stinger will open up. Oh, we have multiple levels. What is happening here? This is a whole separate section. But, okay. Oh, a new screw, a hidden screw. This is advanced. This is advanced robotics. Okay. Easy and gently. Yeah. Okay, this is inside the bee. So when it moves, yes. Okay, so the eyes are moving because the whole body is going up and down, and when the body goes up and down, look what happens to the eyes. You see? Yeah. Clever levers. We have here the engine, the main board, the batteries, the hands. The hands move how? The hands are moving when the body goes up, slides up and down. It moves the hands. Okay, I discovered here another hole. This is for the stinger. It goes right here, and when this part of the body moves, the needle moves, let's say. Okay, and David Liu asked how the motor shifts the move. Well, let's check it out. I hope I will be able to put it back. I hope I will be able to surprise myself because... This is it. Okay, we have the engine there. Right now... Oh my god. What happens? Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see this. If I move this wheel the other way around, the legs are moving. So if I move to the left, we have movement for the legs. And if I've moved to the right, we have movement for the body. We have the swinging motion. Cool, cool. And I know something. I really wasn't good at physics, but I know that if you change the polarity of how the AC, the electric current flows, you will have shifting rotor motion. Let's check and see if my theory is right. So I will turn it on. I removed the motor, the electric motor, and I put it here. And we are turning it on. And now we change the direction. Okay, that's nice. Ah! It's tickling. What have we learned now? We have learned that we have mechanical movement, very smart gears. We have the eyes that are moving mechanically. See, here are the eyes, and if I do this, the eyes move. Okay, what else we have learned? We have learned that electric current has polarity, and if we have some polarity, then the wheels spin to the right. If we have reverse polarity, then the wheels spin to the left. What happens when they spin to the right? Well, we have feet movement. The feet are moving, and when we reverse the polarity, then these little gears are shifting, and we have the body swing. Yeah, and also we have seen that this little wheel is going up and down, so it gets this one to spin. It is very nice. It's like a very basic gearbox. So it's awesome. Now let's put it back. Pray for me. She was a little challenging to put back, but I think we managed. And I will show it to you right away. But first, I want to say thank you for watching. Oops. Ah, it's okay. She still does this. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, comment, and your comment may be featured in our next clip. Until then, be good.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.